Hello everyone. Today we are going to make some simple sentences by using small words. So let us begin. The first word is run. I can run fast. I can run fast. Ball. He plays with a ball. He plays with a ball. Tree. This is a big tree. This is a big tree. Next word is food. We eat food. We eat food. Hot. The sun is hot. The sun is hot. School. She likes to go to school. She likes to go to school. The next word is dog. The dog barks. The dog barks. Door. I open the door. I open the door. The next word is dress. Your dress is beautiful. Your dress is beautiful. Cat. There is a cat. There is a cat. Next word is apple. I like to eat apples. I like to eat apples. Sister. I have two sisters. I have two sisters. The next word is milk. I like to drink milk. I like to drink milk. Fridge. There are many fruits in the fridge. There are many fruits in the fridge. Bag. I love my school bag. I love my school bag. The next word is father. I like my father very much. I like my father very much. So friends, today we made some simple sentences by using some given words. Now read all these words again and try to make some more sentences by using the given words. Thank you.